remember one child, saying the full form of maths as "मेरी आत्मा तुम्हें हमेशा सताएगी." Yeah, this used to be the full form of maths, and I am here to tell you that no, math should not be scary, or any subject per se, or anything should not be scary. So, hi, this is Komal. I'm a chief psychologist at Little Leap, and today I'm going to talk about how to not make math scary. So, I'm sure you're already doing so much on math, but today I'm going to talk about little, different perspective on math. That is math related to problem solving? Yes, it's related to problem solving skills. So what we do is we make kids learn numbers, we make kids learn tables, we make kids learn understand addition, subtraction, and all that. But what we forget is we forget to work on their problem solving skills. Yes. So skills like cause and effect, these are all skills. Skills like decision making, logical reasoning, understanding, matching, categorization. All these skills are also equally contributing to good mathematical skills. If you want your child to get better in maths or maybe coding or all that, it's very important that we work on their foundational skills. That is the three areas: the language and communication skills, their social and emotional skills, and their cognitive abilities. So cognitive abilities, of course, all these skills are natural as well. But if we do work on these skills, of course, they can be more better. So you can definitely improve your child's cause and effect skills, understanding logical reasoning, understanding decision making, by simply ensuring that you don't make any subjects, math, English, science, history, anything, just theory, because we all know this theory is not doing enough. So if you're teaching your child, let's say numbers, maybe you can make a snake and ladder game. I'm sure you must have seen those videos by now, on the floor, and you can help them understand the concept of math, numbers. Similarly, any concept that you're trying to teach, any new concept, make sure that it's more practical. It's not just theory and it's not just practice. And parallelly, if your child is also learning cause and effect skills by practice, of course, the skills like checking odd one out, skills like what comes next. Again, this more practical learning. What they can do is skills like association, skills like categorization. All these skills will help your child to improve the overall problem solving skills and hence improve the math as well. So keep learning. I'm sure that maths की आत्मा किसी को नहीं सताएगी. Stay tuned. I'll be back with more tips and tricks. If you want your child to learn problem solving skills, decision making skills, do check out that program. Link is in the bio. Bye bye. Stay tuned.